Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve the equation x to the power of x to the power of 5 is equal to 100. So my only variable in this equation is x, but it's there twice. So this is what I'm going to be solving for. And now for my solution. I'm going to rewrite my equation down here so I have more space. So I have x to the power of x to the power of 5 is equal to 100. And I'm going to first start by taking the power of 5 on both sides. So I have x to the power of x to the power of 5 to the power of 5 is equal to 100 to the power of 5. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. Now, a to the power of m times n is the same thing as a to the power of n times m. And a to the power of n times m, well, if I can rewrite a to the power of m times n as a to the power of m to the power of n, then a to the power of n times m, I should be able to rewrite as a to the power of n to the power of m. So x to the power of x to the power of 5 to the power of 5, I can switch the places of these two. So I get x to the power of 5 to the power of x to the power of 5 is equal to 100 to the power of 5. Now 100 is the same thing as 10 squared. So I get x to the power of 5 to the power of x to the power of 5 is equal to 10 squared to the power of 5. And a to the power of m to the power of n is the same thing as a to the power of m times n. So 10 to the power of 2 to the power of 5, that's going to equal 10 to the power of 2 times 5, which is 10 to the power of 10. Now from here, I'm going to let x to the power of 5 equal to the variable y. So now I get y to the power of y is equal to 10 to the power of 10. And now I can use the property a to the power of a is equal to b to the power of b. If I have something in this form, this means that a equals b. So in this case, I have y to the power of y is equal to 10 to the power of 10, meaning y is equal to 10. Now going back here, we let x to the power of 5 equal to y, meaning x to the power of 5 is equal to 10. And now from here, all I have to do is take the fifth root on both sides. So I get the fifth root of x to the power of 5 is equal to the fifth root of 10. And the fifth root of x to the power of 5 is x. And so I get x is equal to the fifth root of 10, which is the same thing as 10 to the power of 1 over 5. Now, to check, my original equation is x to the power of x to the power of 5 is equal to 100. And x is equal to 10 to the power of 1 over 5. So I get 10 to the power of 1 over 5 to the power of 10 to the power of 1 over 5 to the power of 5 is equal to 100. So then these two cancel out. And I get 10 to the power of 1 over 5 times 10 is 2, which gets me 100 is equal to 100.